Hi, I'm Christina Warner-McKinnis, founder and CEO of SoilKit by Agritech Corp. In this video, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to test your soil with SoilKit. SoilKit comes with a soil sample bag, prepaid pre-addressed mailer, customer care card, and instructions. Whether you obtained your SoilKit from an online source or one of our retailer or landscape partners, testing always starts with registration, which connects your soil sample and test results to you and your email address. To register, visit SoilKit.com and click on Register. If you've already have an account, it's best to log in first. Enter your email address. After that, enter your kit ID or scan the QR code on your sample bag or customer care card and contact information. Next, identify your sample location by entering your address or using our geolocation technology. You can add a description name or nickname, such as front yard or backwoods food plot, when submitting multiple samples. If you have logged in, you can also choose default address to use the address from a prior test. Next, enter the size in square feet of your sample area so we can accurately calculate fertilizer quantities. If you are not sure, use our satellite guided sizing tool. By clicking into the map with one finger, you can drop pins which will automatically connect themselves. In most cases, we recommend one kit for every 10,000 square feet. After that, choose the type of crop or grass you are cultivating and confirm your registration. Now it's time to take your soil sample. Be sure to use a stainless steel or plastic trowel to avoid metal contamination. If your soil has been recently fertilized, you'll need to wait for 2 weeks before sampling. In choosing 4 sample locations, try to evenly distribute them across the sample area and avoid wet spots. Collect 2 scoops of soil at each location, 2 to 4 inches from the soil surface. Ensure the dirt has reached close to, but not beyond, the fill line. We recommend you write your name on the sample bag. Seal the sample bag by bending the tabs. Then put your sample bag into the prepaid mailing envelope. Seal the envelope and send. Be sure to keep your customer care card with your kit ID for reference. Within 36 hours of receipt, our certified lab partners will calculate your soil amendment needs and send you an email with a link to your test results. The View My Results link will take you to SoilKit.com, where you can log into your dashboard. If you haven't already created an account, the system will prompt you to create one. If you have multiple tests, you will see a list of them. Click on the test results you are interested in. At the top of the results page, you'll find details about the partner who provided your soil kit. If you purchased online, you'll find a link to one of our online fertilizer partners. Below that will be easy to understand fertilizer recommendations, calculated based on your results, sample area size, and products available from the partner from whom you obtained SoilKit. You'll also find application instructions followed by lab-calculated nutrient levels. At the bottom of the report, you may find a message from your retailer or landscaper or from one of our online partners. Now you can share your results with your landscaper or local lawn and garden center to obtain the amendments recommended. If you purchased your soil kit online, simply click through the product recommendations and purchase the amendments online. We look forward to seeing your results and helping you get a healthy lawn and garden.